one of the most popular tricks to promote faster hair growth, quick and natural hair growth with apple cider vinegar and rosemary. If you value the health and beauty of your hair, you will enjoy this recipe. It's made up of rosemary and apple cider vinegar, two very powerful ingredients not only for capillary treatment but for your whole body. It's all natural, restoring conditioner because that's what it does. Restores shine, prevents hair loss, stimulates growth and fights dandruff. It's anti-astringent, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and has disinfecting properties. Rosemary nutritional value is also worthy of your attention. It has vitamin B6, vitamin B2, vitamin A and vitamin C, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, calcium and other antioxidants. Due to this concentration of nutrients that rosemary can treat and restore hair. The other ingredients in this recipe, apple cider vinegar, has tons of powerful qualities. It can alkalize your blood, improving your body's disposition and resistance and also help you lose weight. When it comes to hair, apple cider vinegar is amazing. It deep cleanses your scalp and makes your hair shinier and softer. Now that we have told you about rosemary and apple cider vinegar, can you imagine what the combination of these two ingredients could do for your hair? Together they will restore and improve your hair's health and shine, prevent hair loss, stimulate growth and fight dandruff. This recipe you will need 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, organic if possible, 3 tablespoons of rosemary, fresh or dry. Instruction and application. Put the vinegar and rosemary in a bowl. Let them sit for 20 minutes. Wash your hair while the mixture sits. 1. Use shampoo. Conditioner would not be necessary. Rinse and dry well. After the 20 minutes, strain the mixture and pour the rosemary and vinegar in another bowl. Use a cotton ball. Apply the mixture all over your scalp. When you are done applying it, massage your scalp with both hands, making circular motions with your fingers. After massaging well, let the conditioner react for 10 minutes. After that time, wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and conditioner and rinse well to completely remove the rosemary and apple cider vinegar. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times a week. You can also put a little on your eyebrow and eyelashes. Wait 10 minutes and rinse it off. Before using this product, rub some on your arm to see if you have an allergic reaction. If you do, stop using it.